Pero hindi naman, nasa Wilson Telex, yung tatlong babae, kayo naman yung male version.
Wow! It's an honor.
Ito naman, gusto ko yung mga jacket mo, ha? Anyway, would you like to invite our viewers sa mga shows mo? Please?
Yes, bukas po nasa
Star Wars Alabang po kami.
yes, sa Sunday naman po nasa Star Mall
Las Piñas.
Las Piñas.
and on the 14th,
14
ba?
yes. This is Star Wars EDSA show.
EDSA, yes.
On the 28th, nasa
SM
SM
WHS. And for updates po, pwede nilang ilike yung
Ayan.
Facebook page namin. It's www.facebook.com/detourboy.
or they can also follow us on Twitter. It's twitter.com/detourofficial.
So, lahat ng inyong gigs and where to find you are there.
Yes.
Thank you very much
Thank you.
again. Thank you very much,
Thank you very much,
Detour.
Francis.
Mga ka-homepage, huwag po kayong alis dahil oras ng mataka.